And we're going to go through the checklist, Laszlo. You know where
Yeah.
to find the emergency escapes.
Yes, there and right there.
The fire extinguisher,
It's the red one,
the mask,
it's the yellow one,
emergency stop button,
the big red one.
and you are correctly strapped in and locked.
Yep.
Without looking, can you find the test button for the G-suit?
Oops, not that one.
Close by, maybe, perhaps.
Somewhere around here, yeah.
There it is, perfect. And the water and the sanitary bag, you know where they
It's
are.
right over there.
Yeah. Do you have any questions, Laszlo?
No?
Then you may step out and close, CG.
See you later. Okay.
And while we are waiting for the platform to close, we're going to do a radio check with the operator and the doctor.
Hello, here is operator. Do you read me?
Loud and clear.
Perfect.
Hi Laszlo, this is Doc. Do you read me?
Loud and clear.
Good.
Okay, Laszlo, we are preparing the startup.
Okay.
And just like we're planned, we're going to start with the gradual.
Yep.
And like we have talked about, it's up to you how long you want to do it. I recommend that it's only a warm-up, but you decide. I still want you to sit back relaxed until you have to start straining your legs, and then do the whole AGSM. And please let me know when you start straining your legs.
Okay.
But the first thing that's going to happen is, of course, that we're going to start up to idle. Activate. And we are ready to start spinning, Laszlo.
Okay.
Here we go. Strange feeling.
Oh yeah, funny
Yeah.
one.
And of course this is up to you also, but I recommend that you try to keep your head still at all times in the
Okay.
centrifuge. Yeah. There you have the gradual in front of you.
Yeah.
And let me know when you start straining your legs. And remember, it's a warm-up.
Okay.
It's up to you. Do you have any questions?
No.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Activate. Stick is hot.
Okay.
Still feeling okay?
Yeah. Kind of heavy.
Kind of heavy, yeah.
Now I start the AGSM.
Yeah. Just maximum strengthen your legs, butt, stomach, and build pressure when you have to, doing the whole AGSM. We're at 7.5 as you can see. Don't forget to breathe every third second. Doing good, Laszlo. And there we are at 9, yeah. Keep your legs straight.
Funny.
How did it...
Tumbling a lot.
Yeah. I know it's tumbling a lot. How did it feel?
Cool.
It felt cool, yeah. So you still want to do it one more time?
Yes. Yes, please.
Then we prepare it one more time. This will be a proper warm-up. But one more time, remember it's only a warm-up.
Okay.
Otherwise we'll do it the same way.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Activate. Stick is hot. Good job, Laszlo. Do the proper AGSM. Air exchange every 3rd second. Good pressure. And keep the legs strained all the way down. Okay. How was the last one?
Cool. Tumbling a lot.
Yeah, it is tumbling a lot. Yeah, I know. But the technique is working?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Now I want you to press and hold the test button for the G-suit. Thank you.
Okay.
And shall we stick to our plan and start with the 7G rapid onset?
7 rapid to 30 seconds, yeah.
7G for 30 seconds. Big difference now, you know, make the preparation, start straining your legs, butt, take the breath, build pressure, and then you pull the stick. Do you have any questions, Laszlo?
No.
Do you like that sensation when you, yeah, you do, yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
Activate. Stick is hot.
Okay.
Nice job, Laszlo. Good job. 10 seconds.
Yeah.
20 seconds. It's really up to you how long you want to continue.
A little bit more.
Yeah. And 30 seconds and the profile will end by itself. It's actually better for you if you abort at like 28 or 29. You'll get a smoother way down to idle again.
Okay.
But it's once again up to you. You decide. No problems.
No.
Shall we go for 8?
Yeah.
I think that you have a good technique, good pressure, normal breathing after about 15 seconds, using the technique like you are supposed to. So 8G is prepared, tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Activate. Stick is hot.
Okay.
Keep the pressure, keep it on top, breathe. Keep up the good work, Laszlo. Nice job. 10 seconds.
Okay.
3 seconds, yeah. Breathing normal, more or less. Just make sure you keep your legs and butt, stomach strained all the time. 20 seconds. 25. And here we go down again. No problems?
No.
So I guess you want to do 9 also?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why not?
Why not? Since you're here. 9 Gs, 30 seconds prepared.
Okay.
You tell me when you are ready.
I am ready.
Activate. Stick is hot.
Okay. Oli.
Good job, Laszlo. Keep it up. 10 seconds. Doing good. Nice job. 15 seconds.
Yeah.
20.
Yeah.
And keep the legs strained all the way down. Okay, that was 9 Gs for 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Any problems?
No.
No problems. Do you still want to try the free flight also?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just drink a little
Yeah.
Wasser here.
Have some water. We will prepare the free flight.
That's all.
And we are almost ready.
Okay.
You can see the gray area on the middle screen is gone, and you only have the head-up display. And it's feet and knots, so you're on 2,000 feet, 189 knots. And of course you will have to use the throttle also. This will be more or less like normal flying. Keep up the speed, low level if you want to pull high Gs, just as normal flying.
Yep.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Your controls.
Okay. Okay, I think I'm ready. Had enough fun.
You had enough fun for one day.
Yeah.
Okay, just level out and I will freeze and we can park.